Okay, welcome to this very episode where you can download your short URL shortener and install it in your server effectively. Okay, now this very page is where you can download the code, and how to download it is very simple. So after opening the page, you come to this code, click on this drop down menu, drop down icon, then you click on download zip. Okay, now this will automatically zip all this folder and files inside a what, a zip file, to something like this, okay. I've already downloaded it, so this is it. Now this is what you will do. You go to your server, you create a page, or probably if you want to test it, if you have a domain name already, so you just create a folder where you install this. Or if you want to install it in a new in a new domain name, so that is very simple. So just go get your name. I would recommend Namecheap or GoDaddy. Then you install your domain name. So that is it. Now mine, I already uploaded the short code, which is the zip file, and I've extracted it as well. So these are the files. Okay. Now this is what you need to do. Now you go straight to your database, you create your username and password. Sorry, your database name, your username and password, then you do the synchronization. Now, if you do not know how to do it, please watch my other video. It will teach you how to create a database username and password. Okay. Now let's go straight to the point. You open your config file, which is this. Then first, you change your database name, you change the username and the password. So these are the field you need to change to yours. Then you turn here to what you see there is 127.0.0.1. So you change it to localhost. Then lastly, the name or the URL of your own website, you copy it and replace it here. Okay. So now let's go straight. Then you click save change to effect the changes. Then you can change the site name from here as easy as ABC. So now let's go view the work and see how it look like. Okay, now this is it. Just as easy as ABC. So you can implement this in your project. Let's say you are creating your URL shortener. So with this code, it will make it more easier for you. Okay, I have a code that I want to shorten. So I'll click paste. Then yeah, if I want a customized name, or I'll just say, okay, no, use any name you feel like to do. So I'll click go. Then boom, here we go. Now this is my shortener. Let's assume say this is my domain name. So mind you, my domain name can be ioe.ly or eok, just anything. Just make it shortener. Make it very short so that anybody using it, the thing will be very short as well. Okay, so I'm just using this to give you an example. So this is the shorten link. Okay, so once I click this, you see it will take me to the original website. So that this is how it works. Thank you very much. See you in the next video as we wait to upload. Boom, here we go. So this is how to download and install our free URL shortener code. Thank you very much.